describe how the Himalayas were formed. India's earliest landmass was formerly a part of Gondwana, a supercontinent comprising India, Australia, South Africa, and South America. So, India is the part of the Gondwana land. In the earlier, I also tell earlier that the all land masses, all the continents are separated by only two land mass, that is Angara land and one is Gondwana land. So India is the part of Gondwana land. Convection currents shattered the earth crust for following the separation of Indo-Australian plate from the Gondwana land, causing to Indo-Australian plate to drift to north. So, convection currents shattered the earth crust following the separation of the Indo-Australian plate from Gondwana land, causing the Indo-Australian plate to drift north. So, from Gondwana land, due to the convection current, the Indo-Australian plate was separated on that time, and they drift to the north part. After that, the Australian plate and the Indian plate are separated, and they form the Indian subcontinent and the Australia separately. As a result of the northward drift, this plate collided with the much larger Eurasian plate. So, when the plates are drifted to the north, they are collided with the part of Eurasian plate. The collision folded and sedimentary strata that had accumulated along the Tethys geosyncline, resulting in the formation of the Western Asia and the Himalayan mountain ranges. So, suppose this is Indian subcontinent plate and which is drifting towards the north, and here is the Tethys, which is a geosyncline. Tethys geosyncline, and there is some sedimentary there is some deposition part of sedimentary rocks, for which when both of the plates are collided with each other, what happened? The resulting in the formation of Western Asian and Himalayan mountain ranges. Some fold by the pressure of the two plates. So the Tethys the sedimentation part of the geosyncline of the Tethys. So by the pressure of these two plates, the deposition which soils are deposited, the sedimentary rocks which are deposited in the Tethys geosyncline, they are converting as a folded region. Folds are created here in the Tethys like that. And when the pressure are increasing, the fold are increasing in their height, and after that the Himalayan ranges are formed the Himalayan ranges. With their lofty peaks, deep valleys, and shift following rivers, the Himalayas exemplify. With their lofty peaks, deep valleys, and the swift flowing rivers, the Himalayas exemplify. Next point, with their lofty peaks, deep valleys, and swift flowing rivers, the Himalayas exemplify a youthful landscape. So, Himalayas now become a youthful landscape with the deep peaks, deep valleys, and swift flowing rivers. So, that is the step-by-step explanation how the Himalayas were formed.
You can get all the notes from our website. So go to skillyogi.org. The link is in the description below, and you can easily get NCERT CBSE quick notes and question bank for yourself. You can buy the book from Amazon or Flipkart, or you can download the PDF for easy learning. So go to our website skillyogi.org and order today. The link is given in the description below.